Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the closed scallop stitch. To begin this stitch you want a chain multiple of 6 plus 1. So here I have 18, which is a multiple of 6, and then I'm going to add 1. In the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to make 2 double crochets. So there we have 2 double crochets. We're going to skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2, and then in the next chain we are going to single crochet. Now we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and then in the next chain we are going to make 4 double crochets. Now we're going to skip 2 chains, and then in the next chain make a single crochet. And that is the pattern we are following in the rest of the row. So we're going to skip 2 and then make 4 double crochets, skip 2 and then make a single crochet. So here I'm going to skip 2. I just did my single crochet and then make 4 double crochets. Skip 2 and then make a single crochet. And you will probably have a larger sample than I do, so you would just keep skipping 2, making 4 double crochets, skip 2, make a single crochet, and you should end with a single crochet in the last row. For row 2 we're going to turn our work, chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. And for row 2, this is the row we are going to continue to repeat to get the height of our work. So after chaining 3, we're going to work into this very first stitch. We are going to make 2 double crochets. Then we are going to skip 2 stitches. We're going to work between this cluster of 4 that we have here, or the 4 double crochets. So here's 2, and then here's 2, and then we are going to make a single crochet right in the middle, not into the stitch, right into the center here. Then we're going to skip these 2 stitches. So 1, 2, skip these 2 stitches, and then here we are going to make 4 double crochets. And then we're going to repeat that pattern. So we're going to single crochet in between these 4 double crochets, and then skip these 2 and make 4 double crochets into here. So basically we're single crocheting between the 4 double crochets from the last row, and then we're making 4 double crochets in the single crochet from the last row. And then when we get to the end here where we have 2 double crochets in our starting chain, we're going to single crochet between the last stitch and the beginning chain. So right into that space, we will make a single crochet ending with a single crochet. So then we're just going to repeat row 2. I'll do that again. So we're going to turn our work. Our starting chain is going to be 3. And then in that first stitch, we're going to do 2 double crochets. So you can kind of see that as doing half of the scallop. Since we don't want a full one there, we just need half of one to start, and then single crochet in between the 4 double crochets, and then 4 double crochets into the single crochet space, which is 2 stitches away. And then single crochet into the middle of these 4 double crochets, 4 double crochets into that single crochet from the last row, which again is 2 stitches away. And then you will continue doing that across, and at the end you will single crochet between the last stitch and the turning chain. So that is it, super easy. This would be really nice for a blanket edging or a blanket itself. As you can see in this photo, you can see the difference between acrylic and the cotton yarn. In the cotton yarn, the stitch definition is just a little more pronounced. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.